Today we are going to review some monster trucks. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get started. We are going to do a monster truck race. Who is the fastest? First we're going to start off with these two. I don't know their names, I'm sorry. Let's see who's the fastest. Oh, so close. That was hilarious. Next we got these three. There's four.
Who's that one? That Iron Man?
Yeah, that's Iron Man. I don't know.
Bless you.
These names. Ooh. 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 Now let's it can run over cars. And watch this. Now this is gonna be cool. Wasn't that cool, kids? Now this is gonna happen. Whoa. I landed that just for you. Oh, I think it does land. Bye.